What up mga solid subscribers, no? So ngayon guys, no, itong papanoorin natin is, ito lang naman mga kulitan moments daw po ng ating mahalima, no, sa awards at Pure Gold Thanksgiving concert, no. So a very special shoutout po kay My Movie World, no. Kanya po itong video to, no. So let's go, panoorin natin to, no.
Pure Gold Award!
Wow, meron ganun marami Pure Gold Awards. Seryoso po ba?
We are awarding 6 awards tonight, and can you guess who the winners will be?
Hey!
Oh.
First up, we have Hari ng Daan Award.
Hari ng?
Hari
The
ng
Hari ng Daan Award goes to
Pablo.
Pablo!
Extra!
Hari ng?
Ito na naman sa EDSA.
Hari ng daan! Dahil sa EDSA.
First of all, thank you Pure Gold. Pero
To Pablo.
Tataka siya, hari ng daan? Maangas na ba ako sa kalsada?
For the Hari ng Daan Award for his amazing EDSA track
Ah,
and
ayun
for
nga.
burning rubber on the streets with his trusty motorcycle.
Oh.
Not only that, but as the CEO of 1Z and the main composer of SB19, you have also become a key player in paving the way for people as music genre.
Marami ibig sabihin yung hari ng daan. Hindi lang literal na kalsada.
Irulo. Irulo. Gusto ko pasalamatan yung Pure Gold sa pag-recognize nito. And syempre gusto ko pasalamatan ng SB19. Syempre mga brothers ko, hindi naman to matutupad kung wala sila. Syempre 18, lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa kami-kanilang mga iniidolo. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Wala kami dito ngayon sa entablado kundi dahil sa inyo. Sa mga magulang namin, syempre sa mga nagpalaki sa amin. And syempre sa staff namin, supporters and everyone na talagang sila yung nagpapatakbo ng makina namin.
Eh.
Wala kami dito ngayon kung hindi dahil sa kanila lahat.
Tama.
Sila yung tunay na hari. Pero Pure Gold, maraming salamat dito. Salamat po, Nino Pure Gold.
So, sino ka ba yung next na magkaka-award? So,
Award.
King of the Night, Ferto!
Wow! King of the Night.
Sino kaya?
King of the Night. King of the Night. Ikaw kumanta nung nasa atin ang panalo. Wow, maraming salamat po, King of the Night. Siguro kasi natawag akong ganito.
Si Josh.
Hindi ako natutulog.
To Josh, the King of the Night title truly belongs to you, not only as a nod towards Wild Tonight and You're Never Aging, youthful and vibrant.
Never aging?
But also as someone who truly never sleeps. Yeah, alam natin
Yes.
lahat yan. You have become famous for dropping MVs, songs, events, and collaborations left and right, truly proving that success comes to those who work for it. Congrats!
Wow, syempre po, itong award na to, King of the Night. Hindi lang po para sa akin, para po sa SB19, 18, at sa BBQ. Salamat po. King of the Night. Wala ano. King of the Night.
The next award goes to the Birit King, of course, no
Still.
Justin! Yes, someone.
Ay, di, akala ko Birit King. Ano sinabi?
Justin!
Next award goes to the Birit King, of course,
Ano?
no Iran.
Justin!
Next
Birit?
award goes to the Birit King, of course, no Iran.
Justin! Yes, someone.
Kung Birit si Stel, di ba? Siya yung Birit eh. Ano
May
yung Birit?
pangalan
Hindi ako. May pangalan
So
ba?
it's Telmo.
Sabi ni. Visit to mga tinulak si Ja, tapos hindi pala si Ja.
To Stel,
Hey.
we award the Birit King Award for your viral All By Myself rendition during David Foster's concert right here on the stage. But not only that,
Sample.
represents how we truly believe that, like your voice, you can soar to truly great heights, not only as a member of SB19, but as your own self.
Thank you so much po. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, 18, for giving us this award. Well, actually, with all the blessings na dumadating, it's not us, but it's God na talagang nagbibigay sa amin ng strength and lakas ng loob. Kaya naman, this award is really not for me, but to all the people who really supports me. Thank you so much.
Nagsasalamin si Joshua.
Thank you so much, Ted. Thank you. Yeah, so, next award. Sino nga ba yung magkaka-award na Next, Superior King!
Okay, Matik. Si Ja. Na-joke lang.
Superior ba?
Okay, so to Ken, we award the title Superior King not only as a nod towards your own company, Superior Son, and your superior fans and sense, and also as an acknowledgement of your truly superior talent, vocalist, dancer, rapper, guitarist, composer, writer.
Grabe, no? All out. Full package naman po.
First of all, masaya ako sa mga tao na bumibili ng merch ko, which is yung Superior Son. Maraming salamat kasi na-enjoy nyo yung mga jacket, tsaka mga hoodie, tsaka t-shirt na ginagawa ko para sa inyo. Pagpasensyahan nyo na kung last release ko medyo tumaas yung presyo. Sulit naman yan, so... Ayun, maganda naman yung...
Ang kulit na ginagawa, dinadaan nila sa kakulitan yung mga gusto na sabihin.
And
Ano
last
kaya
but
kay
not
Ja?
the least, of course, for individual awards, we award King Corn to Justin. King Corn!
Ano? King Corn.
We name you King Corn for your truly corny jokes.
Ah!
Kidding aside, corn represents so much more than that. In literature and ancient worlds, corn represented growth and rebirth. And truly, no one can deny how much you've grown from when you first debuted as the youngest member of SB19 to who you are now as a
Tama.
soloist. I can think of nobody else who represents growth more.
Panis.
Graduate na ako. Thank you. Thank you so much, 18, sa supportan nyo and appreciating all those things na ginagawa namin for you guys. So, thank you so much. We love you guys. Parang graduation talaga.
To SB19, we award, of course, P-Pop King!
Maraming salamat.
To our Mahalima, we award the title P-Pop Kings, not only for paving the way for P-Pop as we know it today, but for truly wanting everyone within your quote-unquote kingdom to prosper. You lead by example by living your dream of conquering the world through your music, much like the conquistadors and kings of old. You wear many crowns as evidenced by the trophies you hold, but your journey from rags to riches, from obscurity to fame, is one of your most treasured crowns, and we hope that you wear it proudly. All hail the P-Pop King!
All hail the P-Pop King!
Thank you so much, guys. Super gulat kami kung ano tong pakulo nyo and sobrang di namin alam anong paano magre-react, but super thankful kami. Alam namin na grabe yung mga pinaghihirapan yung ginagawa nyo for us. So, thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys.
At para sa inyo po,
Grabe naman yun.
Gulat Kings!
Nangyari?
Grabe, nakakagulat yun ah. Okay. At para sa inyo po,
Thank you, guys.
Mga kinuha muna yung award nila. Siyempre, mahirapan silang hawakan lang yun.
at para sa inyo po,
Grabe naman yun.
Gulat Kings! po,
Saan napunta yung kay Stel?
Grabe naman yun.
Gulat Kings!
Ah, parang binigay nila sa dumaan niya. Ewan ko, basta.
Grabe, nakakagulat yun.
Gulat Kings!
Okay.
Kaya pala walang lumabas sa prompter, ah.
Well, unang-una sa lahat, gusto namin magpasalamat sa mga fan bases na talagang ginagawa yung best nila just to, mapakita sa sinusupport nilang idol yung pagmamahal and support nila. So, palakpakan naman natin ang lahat ng fan base na nandito.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po sa time, effort, love, and all the support na binibigay niyo sa amin.
Yes, syempre hindi lang naman yun po ang awards dito sa gabing ito, kundi lahat po na pumunta dito ay panalo. Sabi nga ni Pure Gold, nasa iyo ang
Nasa
panalo.
atin ang panalo.
Nasa
Nasa atin lang.
Nasa atin yun.
Nasa 18.
So, ayun nga. Nagustuhan niyo ba yung I Want You kanina? Ituloy na ba natin? Ikaw, Justin, may gusto ka ba sabihin?
Gusto ko lang sabihin na thank you so much. Nag-loading ulit. Maraming salamat.
Napapansin ko lang, medyo pumunta na tayo sa mabagal na phase ng kanta natin. Nag-I want you na tayo. So bakit di pa natin natuloy? Dahil favorite naman ng mga Filipinos, but also 80, yung mga ballad songs natin. Bakit hindi tayo mag-ballad na? Game na ba kayo?
Game na.
Kasi parang
Game
sa
na.
moment na to, parang bagay na mag-lap tara tayo.
Tara! Let's go!
Okay, so ayun na siya guys, no? Cute lang nila, no? Tapos yung mga interaction nila talaga, natural lang eh. Kung ano sila talaga, yun sila, natural lang eh. Yung tipong walang camera, nagkukulitan lang sila, nagbabardagulan lang sila, no? So, ayun sila, ayun ang ating maliman na talagang totoong tao, walang kung ano man, no? Iba kasi, hindi ko na sabihin na kung ano man, no? Pero meron kasi ibang mga artists, hindi ko pinaparticular na P-pop group, or pop group, may mga ibang artista or mga musician or mga basta mga sikat na personality, no, na pag halimbawang on stage or parang andyan sa camera or what, no, talagang hindi yung pinapakita nila is yung hindi sila na like formal sila, na hindi naman yun sila talaga, makulit sila, pero ang ating malima talagang playful sila, no? Yun ang maganda, no, ang nakaaliw silang panoorin talaga, naka-entertain at the same time. So ayun lang guys, no, and kindly like, comment, share, subscribe. So this is Point of Signing out. Peace, that's cheap.